Acronis True Image 2019. Acronis True Image 2019 is a software product produced by Acronis that provides data protection for personal users including backup, archive, access, and recovery for Windows, macOS, iOS, and Android operating systems. As disk imaging software, True Image can restore the previously captured image to another disk, replicating the structure and contents of the new disk, also allowing disk cloning and partition resizing, even if the new disk is of a different capacity. The backups are in a proprietary format which saves using a tube file name format. Acronis was launched in 2003 and in December 2014 claimed to have over 5 million consumers and 500,000 business users. 15th Anniversary Edition. The 15th Anniversary Edition of Acronis True Image 2019 is one personal backup software. Acronis True Image delivers complete cyber protection, combining easy-to-use, efficient backup with a proven AI-based defense against ransomware to create the most secure personal backup. Backup everything, including operating systems, applications, settings, photos, videos, files, and social media accounts on your PCs, Macs, iOS, and Android devices. Clone a system disk while it is in use. Acronis True Image 2019 System Requirements: Windows 10, all editions, Windows 8.1, all editions, Windows 8, all editions, Windows 7 SP1, all editions, Windows Home Server 2011, Windows XP SP3, 32-bit, macOS High Sierra 10.13, macOS Sierra 10.12, OS XL Capitan 10.11. Acronis True Image 2019 features: Mirror imaging, automatically protect all your data, operating system, programs, settings, files, and boost information. Dual protection, ensure your backup is available for recovery by storing copies locally and offsite in Acronis Cloud Storage. Customer reviews: yearly perpetual license method versus subscription but overall cost, and best to review the yearly changes to the True Blue version of I Get This. This was a very good buy. I got my work done very quickly. Acronis works great, but the menu needs to be more intuitive.